What up, guys? It's your boy Shellshock again, and we're here for another NBA box unboxing. Before we start our unboxing, I want to show you my last pull. It's from a Panini Contenders draft class. It's Isaac Okoro rookie card, very nice with red foil, very nice. And also, I have from a Prism Desmond Bain, Memphis Grizzlies rookie card, orange cracked ice. And I have two pickups. I have this Jamorant rookie card Flux from a Chronicles box, and it's graded as 9.5 from thank you SGC. And another one is the NBA Hoops arriving now insert. It's a 9.52 Jamorant rookie card. All right. So today we are going to unbox and rip this 2021 Panini Select Blaster box. I got lucky. I got it for retail. It retails to I think $37, almost $40. It's kind of expensive because it's select. So this is from Walmart. Resale is probably like 100 to 130, even 140. But I got it for retail, so I don't know how much is the resale. But what we're looking for is a retail exclusive ultra rare Tiger Prisms, and there is 4 cards in a pack and 6 pack in a box. So this will be interesting. So let's see what's inside. All right. So of course you have that Panini NBA logo and plastic seal. You know, just a proof that it's not open. So let's open this. What I'm looking for personally is a Jamorant card. It don't matter if it's base or not, because I collect them. Grizzlies players, rookie cards, and obviously we're chasing some rookies. Anthony Edwards, LaMelo Ball, all that fun stuff. So we got our sleeves ready, and we got our top loaders ready. All right, so let's do this. All right, Select Basketball Retail Debut. So this is a retail box. Again, this is not a hobby box. All right. Let's see. So this is going to be a quick rip because there's only 6. But these are very premium cards. So let's start lucky. Right? Be good to us on the Anthony Edwards. All right, let's rip this one. First box. Bogdanovich, Atlanta Hawks. As you can see, the card is so premium. Pretty nice. Bam Adebayo. Caris LeVert, Indiana, jersey. It's not Brooklyn. Keldon Johnson. Very nice. I like this player. As you can see, the card is so nice. You can see even though it's retail. I like this kid. All right. Next. Not bad. Not bad. But we need something special. Hopefully we got some rookies. All right. Next card is a rookie card. Onyeka Okongwu. That's a rookie. So let's sleeve it up. Sleeve this. Ooh, that's a nice one. So we got a veteran all-star. And that's Damian Lillard. Game time. The card's pretty nice. Alright, so we put the rookie here. And we put all-star here. Devin Booker card. So you can see, it's pretty cool. Ooh, we got some, I don't know if it's Tiger Prism or Green. Colin Sexton. Not bad. I'll take it. So we got Devin Booker here. and Colin Sexton. This is my first time ripping or unboxing this kind of pack, and it's pretty exciting. Alright, Sexton with a parallel. Alright, we got 4 packs left. Next would be Tyrese Maxey. Alright, now we're talking. I'll take a Maxey. Oops, Kemba Walker, Celtics. He got traded already. But Tyrese Maxey, I'll take him. I'm actually gonna top load that. I actually have high hopes with this player. Kemba Walker. Put a sleeve on it. Kira Lewis. Another rookie. Alright, so we're going to put it on the sleeve. But let's see who's this one first. Is this a rookie? Paul Krzyzewski, here we go. I just don't know what parallel is it. Is this a Tiger parallel? Oh, so I guess this is the biggest pull that I have. If this is the Tiger, let me know. I haven't checked if that's a Tiger. It seems like this is the Tiger parallel, and it's a rookie card. All right, now we're talking. We got Poku Krzyzewski. Let's go. All right, that will be the. I guess that would be the biggest full for now. Biggest rookie too. Kira Lewis, another rookie. So put this rookie guy here. All right, so we got our vets. Colin Sexton with a parallel. Look at that card. It's a nice Pokusevski rookie card. Feeling lucky today. Give me a base LaMelo. Even a Jam Morant I would keep for personal. Alright, a Grizzly player. So that's yes. Because we collect Grizzlies players. Xavier Tillman. That's my boy. Brandon Ingram. If you don't know Brandon Ingram, I don't know if you're how are you a fan of basketball. This is an insert from Miami Heat. Victor, oh no, it's actually from the Rockets. Victor Oladipo. All right, another vet. This is a good set. It's a nice insert. There's another insert. Terry Rozier. Scary Terry. Alright. Sleeping Oladipo. Should I? Scary Terry goes here. Alright. Two more packs. These cards are pretty nice. These are pretty premium. Alright, let's see. First card. Tyrell Terry from Dallas. So another rookie. Next would be LaMarcus Aldridge. There's a rumor that it might come back. Who knows? Ooh, there's a parallel right there. Alright, let's see this one. Luke Kennard. Oh, look. Luke Kennard. Now, CJLB rookie card. This is the Tiger Prism, I think. Yeah, this is the Tiger Flash Prisms. I don't know if that's Flash Prisms or Tiger Prisms. So that's the Flash Prism, I guess. There's a rookie right here. So ourselves now, it's Pokusevski. It's our biggest pull. And Tyler Maxey, obviously. Alright. Last but not least, be good to me. I was the last in the line when I got this box. Tobias Harris. Ben Simmons. Julius Randle. Last card. Daron Fox. Oh my god, that's a nice card. I don't mind that. I'll take it. I'll take Daron Fox. Pretty cool. He's one of my... He was one of the players I like, actually. Daron Fox. It's a pretty nice select card. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I'll put this on the top loader. Alright. So let's do a quick review. What we're looking for is a Blaster exclusive Flash Prisms. 1 per box, I guess, on average. Two. So maybe those are the Blasters exclusive. This. And there's 1 retail exclusive Ultra Rare Tiger Prism, which I don't know what it is, but I'll look for it. If you guys know, hit me up in the comment. Alright, let's do a quick review. So, it's a bunch of base cards. It's a premium card, though. Julius Randle, Ben Simmons, Tobias Harris, Luke Kennard, Terry Rozier, Keldon Johnson, Karis LeVert, Indiana jersey, Bam Adebayo, Bogdanovich. All right, and we got our All Stars. We got LaMarcus Aldridge, Victor Oladipo, Rockets jersey, Brandon Ingram, Kemba Walker, Devin Booker, Damian Lillard. So this might cost a little bit good because those are good All-Stars. And we got our rookies. CJ LB. That's the retail exclusive, I guess. Or that is the Blaster exclusive. I don't know. We'll find out. Kira Lewis Jr. Tyler Terry. Of course, Grizzlies, Xavier Tillman. Okongwu. And for my favorite pulls, maybe this is the Tiger exclusive. Colin Sexton, Rising Star player. Daron Fox insert, select numbers. Tyler Maxey, and of course, Pokusevski. Oh god, I'm so happy. So I got my money back, I guess. Because this retails at like almost $40. So I got, for me, this is the best pull. What do you think? It's a rookie card. And Alexei Pokusevski. Alright, so again, this is Shell Shot. And until next time for another unboxing or ripping NBA cards playlist on my New Works channel. Keep collecting. Peace.